Be proud of who you are, even if no one does, for every unique identity has its own story. Who would have known that this meek little tree would serve a huge impact in this precious little town?
The name Agno was derived from a species of swamp tree called Agno Casto, locally known as Dangla, a trace tree used for medicinal concoctions to relieve pain and illness that grew abundantly in the locality. And in time, Agno was retained to be the name of the town.
Agno Casto is a gift, an irreplaceable one. It is an identity and a symbol of this town's reputation. Without a doubt, it is a foreshadowing of the purpose Agno is meant to fulfill.